Pagod na ako. Tamad na ako. Ayoko muna kayo reply lahat. Hi, Jeyo. Thank you for the like. Uy, darapan nyo na ako. Ano lang, 50. Mag-end na ako. Papahinga ako 1 month. Oo, counted ka rin dun. Ano muna ako? Rest. Vigorous. Vigorous. Baliw ate. Big sabihin. Ha? Anong di mo na ako friend doon? Parang tanga naman. Ayoko na nga sa inyong lahat. Nasisiraan ako ng ulo. Bakit? Ang dumi ba ng paa ko? Madumi nga. Yaw mo yun? Hi, unknown. Na. Dun siya sa far away.
This is a chameleon. A tiger. A crocodile.
Sent you a DM. Typings yan na.
This is a badger. And this is a squirrel. Oh, it's a kangaroo.
Ay, gagi, nag-live ako, lobat ako.
Polar bear.
Boys, bo.
Frog.
Wala na ako update sa... Siyempre, blinak ka.
Wait a second.
Hindi na. Hindi na ako mag-live.
Stay with the other animals and don't run away anymore.
Antayin ko na lang sahod ko.
We have a rhino, a giraffe, and 2 camels. And we also have lots of
Kaya, ang gawin nyo, dagdagan nyo na yung ano ko, beans. Yung i-drop nyo next month. Ngayon nyo na i-drop. Baliw pa te. Manila.
These are the front legs. We got the tail. Yay!
Wala na ako doon.
Brachiosaurus. Next. This guy looks friendly.
Dami mong alam. Di mo nga ako natid na karaan eh.
I see. This is its body. And here's the tail. It's a Tyrannosaurus.
Manila. Bakit ice na yan, hindi na siya ganito?
Ah, look. This is the head.
Wow! Wow, peace. Malamang nag-aasikaso na ako nun. Paalis na ako. Pag-chat ko sa'yo, paalis na ako nun eh.
That's a massive tail.
Wala ka naman mag-cellphone ako ba nag-aayos?
It's a Stegosaurus. This guy has a horn on its head.
Di na kasya. Ang dami mo kasing ka-fam eh. Ang dami mong squad.
Now complete.
Ano yan? Ice squad. Tapos,
Their names.
anong tawag dito?
This is a pterosaur.
Ang dami mong ano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9! Pag in-stock ka, 9 yung ano mo. Yung mga kumpuro-huzuro mo sa pangalan.
Brachiosaurus.
O, ilasing ka lang. Lasing ka lang, boy.
This is a
Pag nag 2% na ako, mag-end live na ako.
This one is called a Stegosaurus. This one? Right, it's a pterodactyl.
Matutulog na ako, guys. Ay, maglalaba pala ako.
Whoa, we got 3 new dinos, friends.
Laba is me. Bahala ka na, di mo ako usapin. Bahala kayong lahat.
A
Bahala kayo yung lahat-lahat kayo. Cut off na. Mag-e-end na ako sa Bigo.
I know where this orange one belongs.
Aalis na ako sa Bigo, guys.
We also have a purple dino. Now, the
Oy, H, totoo nga. Ano bang mapapala ako pag nireplyan kita?
this one will fit. Yes,
Dadrapan mo ba ako pag nireplyan kita?
this is a Brachiosaurus.
Pag kinausap ko ba kayo araw-araw, dadrapan niyo ako?
And this is the tail.
Kung oo,
Tyrannosaurus.
replyan ko kayo.
These two dinos are overboard.
O hindi, nakakapagod kaya makipag-usap araw-araw.
Triceratops.
O, o, anong gagawin ko?
Anyone home? Hello? It's locked.
Hindi,
Look, we've got the key.
hindi.
Let's see if this one works. Woohoo! It's a Triosaurus. Let's check the next door.
Ano alam.
It's a toucan. How about checking the... It's a bear.
Maglalaba pa nga ako eh.
Hiding behind this door.
Ay, bukas na lang.
A Velociraptor.
Ready ako gumala.
Do you think we'll find more dinos?
Bye-bye.
Not here. It's a rabbit.
Bye-bye, guys.
There's one more door left.
Ayun.
It's a Deinonychus.
Ano daw?
3 new dinos. Do you remember their names?
Bye-bye.
Brontosaurus,
Bye-bye.
a Deinonychus, a Velociraptor. We need to add the numbers to the clock. 3. 7. 10.
Dapat ganyan na lang yung mukha ko.
12.
Ganyan lang.
6.
Okay lang ako. Okay, Duki. Rodney. Oy, Rodney, gusto mo mag-up? Ba't gusto mo mag-up?
1. 11.
Na, 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 Ay, nguy stock.
And
Nguy
5.
stock.
All done. Great job.
Ha? Bakit ako?
It's a circle. This is a rectangle.
Ano raw?
It's a triangle.
Bye, guys. 3% na lang ako.
Square. And this is a hexagon.
Tulog na ako, maglalaba pa ako.
Guys,
Idlip ako.
it's a
Babi.
student. This is an astronaut.
Ba't ang baliw? Bye-bye.
Firefighter. This is a police officer. And this is a doctor. Next, vehicles. This is a rocket. Who travels in a rocket? Right, an astronaut. What about a doctor?
3 beses na ako nag-PK tapos hindi ako nanalo kahit isa. Biglang nag-run. Bye-bye, guys.
Next, a police car.
Anong work mo? Wala.
Who drives a
Bigo
police
lang.
car? A police officer.
Tapos nag-aaral.
It's a first aid kit.
Ha? Anak? Naro? Hindi ko yun kilala.
This is a fire extinguisher.
Bay na. 2% na lang ko. Gagawa pa ako poster bukas.
And an axe. This is a lunar rover. And these are handcuffs. Oh, it's time for some magic. Ta-da! Well done. Let's pick them up. This is a star.
Nag-live nga ako. Mag-end na ako. Nag-live ako tapos mag-end. Ay, may i-reach pala akong ano. Ilang oras yung 120 minutes.
So many numbers.
Ilang hours yun? 2 hours. 1 hour. I feel 120 minutes. Ilang hours yun? 120 divide 2. 60. 2 hours. 2 is hours. Wala, kailangan ko ng 2 hours. 2 is hours. Two hours. Good. Low is bat na ako. Orderan nyo nga ako Jollibee. Ang random eh. May balo ka din. May balo ka ba? Thank you, B. B, ang tuto, B na walang tinita kung ba to? Thank you, B. Hi, Z. May hindi na nanonood sa akin. Si Kay. Wala na nga siya. Kahit daan, hindi siya nadaan.
All done.
Bye-bye, guys.
Time to catch some fish.
Gonna go. I'm gonna go.
Let's
I'm gonna end the live.
the first fish.
And I will not going back to you in every day. Bye, guys. Ano ba yung bawal mag-end? Ay, wala akong pake.
Another fish.
Abot na pala ako. Ako rin bagwan lang. We're baguhan. We're baguhan.
I think this
Ay,
is
ang ngangit.
back to the puzzle we go.
Ay, naku, buhay.
Right here.
Kanina pa ako nagbababay pero hindi ako nag-end.
How about this green one? Yes? Help me find the right place. Here. Where does this light
Traffic
fish go?
card, tapos
Here. How about this yellow
mag-end
one?
na.
Yeah.
Anong silbi ng traffic card mo kung mag-end ka na?
Dark blue.
Ano to?
Its place is here.
Baboy na nga, nababaliw lang ako dito.
And the last one. Here goes.
Nawala yung filter ko.
Good job, guys. Puzzle is complete.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Got here. This is a very
Bye-bye.
useful
Bye.
puzzle. Let's color it and see who
Bilam na lang ako Jollibee.
This guy has wild black hair. He is called
Makoy.
Caveman. Caveman lived in caves
Hmm.
and went hunting outside.
Napanood ni Be.
Look how happy he
Miga
is.
siya sa
Try
akin.
making a happy big roar.
Miga siya sa likod
Come
ko.
on. Awesome. Now, look who is near the caveman. These are colorful animals.
Pwede orderan mo ko. Send ko sa address namin.
Run. Let's help them and show the
Hi,
fastest
Sanji.
Perfect. The animals are safe. Let's take a look at them. They come in
Ayaw mo nun,
many shapes and
sasend ko yung
sizes.
full address namin sa'yo. Full address, panis.
I see pink, green,
Isang
purple, and
puntahan
blue.
na lang.
This guy I'm coloring now is a dinosaur.
Isang puntahan na lang yun.
Dinosaurs looked like birds and lizards mixed. Look, this purple one here has a baby. It sleeps
Bye-bye.
curled under his mama's belly. This black thing looks like
Lagi
a small
patras yung charge ko.
bathtub.
Bye, guys.
Bubbles and whoa! This dinosaur is having a bath. This green guy has a long snout and big eyes. Who is it? It looks like an
Bella.
alligator.
Ay!
Let's play a new game.
Agay! Not yay.
On the right with the grumpy caveman that
No, no, yay.
and this
Opo.
yellow dinosaur wants nom nom too. This redhead cave girl is flying on the dinosaur. Let's do flap flap with your arms as if you're
Paluin
flying.
kita eh.
The dinosaurs around look scared.
Opo.
The caveman chased them again.
Aba. Uy, malaglag ka. Bye na, guys.
Mr. Dino,
I'm gonna end the alive S.
because his hat is too small.
Ay, wala kang pake. Doon ka, AI.
The volcano has erupted. The floor is lava, friends. Get off the floor.